Sappppaning, I tell you exactly what is happening. End of week 5, that's right. 5th week, we are here. When this drops, it might be the weekend of that, going into week 6. I'm not quite decided yet because I've been filming videos like now tomorrow. So I'm going to squeeze it in there somewhere. What's thoughts? What's changed? Tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me what's changed. I'm feeling great, honestly. As I said previously, I'm just making the best of a bad situation. I've walked about nearly 50 miles this week. Miles, that's right, not kilometers, miles, not even joking. And amongst that as well, I've been riding the BMX every night. I've just done 10 laps this evening around the estate, which is probably, I want to say about 4.5 miles maybe, something like that, because I've gone right way around. Not that I even know where I live, but there we go, take my word for it. So just got out of the shower. It is currently 25 to 9 on a Friday, so a bit different to the usual Friday. Normally out having a couple of beers or, you know, having a takeaway. None of that's really happening, so I'm just having a chill. Thought I'd do a video for you when I got 5. Wifey's in work, she's frontline, same as NHS sort of stuff, so respect to her. So I've got a chilled evening to myself. I'm going to have a couple of beers, thought I'd come on have a chat with you guys, let you know what's been happening. But yeah, this week has been one of my favourites so far, to be honest with you. I know that sounds crazy, but I just think I'm getting more used to stuff, getting more into routines, just spreading some joy where I can, you know what I'm saying? It's yes, I'm feeling blessed, to be honest with you. Some negative news today, not directly close to me, but people I do know, through my uncle who passed away a couple of years back. Still miss him dearly. But yeah, the husband and wife, both of those passed away within a day each other of the coronavirus, and the son is actually in hospital fighting it now, so that's the closest it's been to home. So we're at this, you know, the peak is no longer climbing, it is flattening and flattening and flattening. Today Donald Trump said about injecting disinfectant into you, which was amazing. Honestly, that guy, literally, I've just got time for him. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just I'm in utter awe or amazement by him, and some of you might hate me for this as well, but I can't help just take it in. I'm just like, oh my god, are you serious? What's coming next? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bonkers. So yeah, no disrespect either. Now I get a lot of American viewers, so you know, I'm not going to be judging anything or, you know, saying who you want to vote for, whatever. That's totally up to you. I'm over here in the UK. I do what I do. You do what you do, innit? But I got to say, he's one guy that's just like, I'm in awe of him. I don't even know if it's for the right or wrong reasons, but it's just, wow. Yeah, definitely. But here today in Wales, they've said in the next 3 weeks, they are going to start looking at that restrictions and maybe start easing them. I'm hoping, I'll be honest with you. I said before, it's selfish of me, well, of everyone probably wanting this lockdown to end, wanting the coronavirus to end. People are dying still, you know, 600 and something today again. Not that I'm really looking at the figures. It's only catch at that 5 o'clock thing, and I just think have a little look. But aside from that, I'm positive vibes. I'm in this bubble. I'm chilled, literally. So what's been happening this week? Okay, eBay has been absolutely crazy for the shop, which is brilliant because, as I said, a couple of weeks back when all this stuff happened, I was starting to get a bit, not worried, but I thought, you know, worst case scenario, I can live off savings, I can keep going forward. As long as I pay house bills, car bills, whatever, you know, not a problem. Missing the toy fairs, because toy fairs are a big part of my business. That's a lot of money I do make at them. So without that, it's a bit like, whoa. But as I said to you before in a previous video, I've literally been stockpiling over the last couple of years. Stuff that I thought, you know what, this might be worth holding on to. Wait for that value to increase a little bit and do it. Now I'm seeing stores on eBay are like putting their holiday settings on, or they're closing down because they can't, you know, they haven't got the stock to keep going because they're selling out of stuff. They can't replace it because you can't go up and buy it. Now me over here, I'm sitting on thousands of models, literally thousands of models. Now it's not even exaggeration. So I've been doing about 50, 60 models a week, getting them on, and they've been selling. So thank you. If anyone is watching this and buys off me, thank you so much. Literally, it's the difference between, I can't even explain, it's the difference putting food on the table or not. So there we go, because there's still no help for my category of self-employed. But there we go. Shout out to Howard as well. He sent me some amazing old school hip-hop music as well on Facebook this week, so I've been chilling up to those, downloaded them all, Apple Music, put them in the playlist. There's some good stuff on there, so shout out to Howard, thank you bud, appreciate that. BMX stuff, been enjoying that. Walking, been enjoying that. Still taking the Beetle out daily to the post office run, and got sidetracked today, literally just to film a little video of it on the way back, because you guys have been asking about it. I know it's on Viking Views, but keep asking me about it, so I've done you a video. I've done it for you. Yeah, I'm hyped up. Can you tell? I don't even know why. I've just got out the shower. It's late. I should be out chilling, but I'm not. I'm still peeking myself. So yeah, I think that's dropping tomorrow. It's dropping tomorrow. So ignore that. You would have already seen the Beetle video. If you haven't, go back. It will be up before this one goes up. And there's a couple of more cool stuff as well that's going up. But I'm not going to say too much. I'm going to let it in surprise, because there's nothing worse, right, than watching some people that's got no enthusiasm and just, I think, why are you bothering uploading if you can't be bothered to do it? So I'm enjoying it. It's taking my mind off the world, and I'm enjoying it. Okay, Beer52, shout out. I have a beer delivery every month off those. This week it was all like American ales, etc. Do the light stuff. I don't really like the dark ones or the stouts or too much, but I'm into this, so I thought, I'll enjoy a couple of beers tonight when the wife's at work. Boys will play, won't they? But yeah, it's been a really busy week. It's gone really, really quick, to be honest with you. Just listed like no tomorrow. The post office has been busy as well, posting a lot of parcels every day. Monday, I couldn't even take the Beetle to the post office because there's that many parcels. I had to take it in the car, which is a really good thing. And I'm not saying that as in like a show-off way either. I'm just feeling really blessed about it, to be honest with you. I've worked my ass off for so many years, and for it to keep going, and you guys are helping me with this as well. Everyone on Facebook, Instagram that's buying, eBay that's buying. Yeah, you guys are just making me keep going, because I said I've been here 10 years doing the business. I want to be around another 10, 20, 30 years. That's the dream. So I live in the dream every single day. There is a video going up of why I become a toy dealer as well. That was one of the questions in a previous thing in the Q&A. I know I haven't dropped that. I have filmed it though, but I will drop that in the next couple of days, so you can see a little bit in that. But yeah, just feeling blessed. I don't even know. I swear to God, right? That's the first bit of beer I've drunk. I've not even done it. I'm feeling blessed. It's so warm, to be honest with you. I said I'm just out the shower. It's still about 21 degrees. I'm not complaining. In the day, it's absolutely stunning. Especially if you haven't got to do nothing at the minute when we're in this lockdown. You can make the most of the weather. But when you got to run around you left, right and centre, it's a bit like, because the heat back, I know everyone says it, when it's warm like this back home, it is completely different to being away on holidays. When I was in Vegas back in early November, start of November, it was still high 20s then in places, but it was copable, it was manageable. I didn't mind it, But over here, it's completely different. I know everyone says it, but there we go. So, yeah, productive times. Just keeping motivated, looking forward. Chilled my training a little bit this week as well. I thought, the muscles can do with a little bit of recovery time, relax a little bit. I'm not stressed about the gym anymore, so I've been not lazy with it, but I've been a bit more, not compliant either. What's the word I want? Been a bit more just relaxed. Let's go with eased and relaxed, okay? That's what I've been doing. Still doing some dumbbells, press ups, etc., but it hasn't been as much. Just I've been concentrating on cardio this week. I said I'm 6.5 pounds lighter as well. I am going to weigh myself now midweek to see if I've dropped anything else. I'll be honest with you, I've eaten a lot the last couple of days, so I don't even care. I don't even care. Literally, I'm just chilled vibes completely. Been planning stuff as well this week as well, which has been quite nice. I've seen there's a lot of deals on at the minute as well, innit, for holiday places, travel companies, etc. And I'm meant to be going to New York in September this year with my partner. Don't know exactly if that's going to happen or not. I don't want to cancel it with British Airways, because if I cancel it, I'm going to lose some money. So let's just hold it out and wait for them to either cancel it or, I can change the date. Awesome. But me and a wifey been looking at Jamaica. So that's quite nice. A nice all-inclusive place. I think it was 10 days, something like that. Not a bad price either. So it's been a dream. Always wanted to go to Jamaica. Love the music, love the food, love the beer, love the whole atmosphere, of all that stuff. Got a few friends that are Jamaican. Well, I say friends of my parents, and yeah, they're awesome. Sort of people that's having jerk chicken and stuff on Christmas Day, and it's just like, send me the recipes. I love all that stuff. So we've been looking at that. Best Boy Dan, me and him have been chatting as well about, not this year, because I don't really know exactly what is going to happen, everything with this coronavirus, but going back to Las Vegas next year, and SEMA next year. I'm not going to give nothing more on that, but let's just say we will have SEMA tickets, so we can get in full access. To be honest with you, last time I had a bit of a jolly. I didn't film a whole lot, because I was a bit like, wow, this literally, and do you know what, when I go back to SEMA, it's going to be the exact same thing. But we can have the week-long tickets, so we can come and go as we please. So we're going to get some stuff filmed. I want to try and meet as many celebrities as I can, as many people as I watch on TV. You know, like when I went last year, just seeing Jeff Lutz's 57 Chevy, that done it for me. Gas monkey, everything. Amazing. So me and the boy been in chats over that, which I'm excited about. So that'll be good to go to. Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to hire a Dodge Challenger and get out and do all the bits and pieces as well. I'm going to try and talk Johnny into it. My boy Johnny I went to last time. Trouble is, SEMA week falls in the same week as his missus' birthday and the little one's birthday. So I can understand why he's a bit thing about going, because he missed it last year. Fair play. So respect to them, respect to him. So I'm going to try and talk him into it. So that'll be a bit of fun. Mr. Lee's been in chats about some American trips as well. Flying into Atlanta, but going around Nashville, or like the South, which would be insane. I'd love to do that. I'd love to experience it all. So shout out Mr. Lee, Outpost 51, if you're watching this. Let's get it booked, son. I'm excited over that. So that might be something coming up next year. Got Norway coming up, Ireland coming up. Should have been in Ireland this month anyway. Sorry, next month. But, you know, that had to get cancelled with all this stuff that's going on. But yeah, I'm rambling now. I've rambled for 11 minutes, but I thought I would, give you a bit of an update. I said I'm feeling it's just positive vibes. A lot of you as well are just saying like this is helping you as well. It's like brightening up your day. So I guess thank you. You know, I've said it before. Anyone that is like having a bit of a struggle, even if you want a bit more interaction than just this YouTube here, find me on Facebook, Exploring with Boss. Send me a message on there. Instagram, Exploring with Boss. I'm on there. Hit me up. I said I got no problem in chatting anytime. If it's not like straight away, if I'm doing, you know, different time zones, or if I'm at work or whatever, well, working away in the house, innit, I'll pick it up when I can, but I promise you I'll reach out to anybody. So yeah, I'll keep doing these videos as long as you want me to. The moment you turn around and say to me, Judd, it's getting boring now, you're doing the same thing, I will stop, because that's not what I want, because I know that's happening with some people out there at the minute, and I don't want that. So I'm trying to keep it different, I'm trying to mix it up. I'm trying to be fun, and I'm trying to be myself. You know, I'm going to pretend to be something I'm not. I'm going to pretend to be someone. I'm going to lie about I'm coronavirus. I'm going to clickbait nothing. Literally, what you see is what you get with me. So yeah, big love and respect. Happy weekend. You'll probably watch this on the weekend at some point. I might upload it on Sunday. So I hope you've had a good weekend, and I hope you have a good week 6. So let's pick it up later. Peace and love as always. Boss is out.